All right, for the third time. First, we had a problem with the sound, and then second, we had another problem with the sound in the background. So, third time is the charm. Hello world, this is NL and I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on a product called I-5923 by Adidas, also known as the Nike Runner. On to the unboxing. Okay, so upon opening the box, let me just blotch out this info here. You get a receipt. All right. So on the receipt it says, "Thanks for shopping with us." Well, you're welcome. And the box. Okay, so it's a simple Adidas box. This is size 10.5. Okay. With your old Adidas wax paper. And here's the sneakers. So the reason I purchased this sneakers, it have a boost foam or boost sole. Okay, so that's why it made me buy the sneakers. So here it is. This is the bottom. Okay. Almost looks like a beehive. This is what it looks on the side. This is what it looks on the back. Okay. I mean, you might not see the emblem or the logo, but it's there. Adidas. I purchased the all black, or it says charcoal black. Okay, you have the suede leather here. This is the side once more. This feels like soft leather. Of course, the suede leather. This particular, let me just hold this in. This particular material, it looks like, it feels like a jersey material or mesh. Okay. You have the tongue, all black, Adidas tongue. Feels like cotton laces. So it's pretty light. You can't bend it though. So I guess this is the foam technology. I like the bottom, you know, I like the style. See that? I'm going to put it on now and test it for y'all. All right, so slip these on. Oh wow. So right off the bat, the heels It feels so soft. It feels comfy. It feels roomy and spacious. Not too narrow. I could actually push with my pinky toe on the side. So it's definitely versatile. I really like the way it looks on me. I'm very confident that this could be my everyday go-to sneakers. Um, it doesn't look too sporty. See? So yeah, the back. Show you the side. I don't think you could run with this because it feels like your feet could come off the sole, because that's how free your feet are. I guess that's why they made it that way, so your feet could feel comfortable. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. I purchased the sneakers for less than 75 bucks. Okay. When it first came out, I know it retails for over 100 bucks, but now I got it for, I think, 40% off. I also purchased another Adidas sneakers, but it haven't come in yet. I think due to the pandemic or the COVID-19, they're a little bit short-handed, which is cool because I'm not in a rush. It ain't like I'm going anywhere. It ain't like the clubs are open or these events are open for the public. So take your time as long as it gets here safely. Okay, so I'm not in no rush. Once again, 40% off. And also the reason why I chose Nordstrom Rack is because they have name brand clothing for discount prices. Okay, that's what I appreciate about it. So that was my first time purchasing from Nordstrom Rack. All right, so there you go. That's my unboxing, my review. I love it. It feels comfortable. It feels like an everyday sneaker. Also, I am not sponsored by Adidas nor Nordstrom Rack. Okay, this is my honest review without any bias. Okay, I purchased these sneakers with my hard-earned money. So that's my honest review. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, KadeersTV. I'll make sure to add more content to it. And if you like the video, please like it. And if you dislike it, you can also dislike it. I'm not a hater. And also, if you have a comment, leave your comment or comments under the comment section. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment. I'll read those comments, okay? So, once again, this is ML for KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Hey, world, if you're interested in streetwear, go check out DOSOS Clothing. Check out their online merch at www.dosos.clothing. They also do embroidery. So make sure you check them out, www.dosos.clothing.